Good morning. My name is Austin, and I want to welcome you to our series on Python. Now, today we'll be doing an introduction into what data structures. All this while we'll be talking about data objects, the strings, the integers, the booleans, and so on. But today we'll be looking at what the data structures. We have four different data structures. Now, what are the data structures? One is what the list. The other one is the dictionary. Dictionary. The third one is the tuple, and the fourth one is the set. So we'll be looking at all these four data structures. Now come here and I said, how do we create a list, a tuple, and what dictionary and set? Now, this is what makes a list a list. If I come here, let's say my list equals. Now, this when you see a square bracket, you know you have created a list. If I do this and I say type, and I put my list, you can see what it said. It's giving me what? A list. If I come to this my list again and I change this bracket to a curly braces like this, I do this, what you see is now a dictionary. If I come here like this and I change it to a rounded bracket, you can see it has now changed to a tuple. So in Python, what makes a list, or what makes a tuple, or a dictionary is the bracket or the covering that covers what is inside. So this one is a list, this one is what is a dictionary, and this one is what a tuple. So if I want to now create a list, or a set now, how do I create a set? I say what my set like this, and now it equals set like this. Now I have created a set. If I say type like this and I put my set, what do you see? A set. So it is just what makes a list is what when you see what a square bracket. When this square bracket is changed to what a curly braces, it becomes a dictionary. When it changes to what a rounded, it now becomes what a tuple. And when it comes to what my list, and I say set like this, and I do this, it now becomes what a set. So let us know and differentiate how to what create these different data structures, because we will what see them and what making use of them as we go on. Now let's create just some lists now. If I come here, if I want to create a list, what do I do? If I say my list like this, I come the square bracket. I've already created a list. Now I want to put some things inside my list, maybe string or integers or anything. I can put what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this, and I do this. Now if I say what my list, you can see that I have created a list. If I want to create a dictionary is different from the list because a dictionary has what we call key value. So if I say my dictionary like this is what makes a dictionary. Dictionary, I give it what? A key, orange. Like this. I say orange costs 500 naira. I give it another key again. I say apple. And I say apple costs 400. I come. I give it carrot. And I say carrot costs what? Maybe 600. Then I now run it. If I call my dictionary like this, and you can see that I have created now. This is the key, and this is what the value. A tuple. If I say my tuple like this, and I come, and that's a variable, and I just but this is what makes a tuple a tuple. Let's say I say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, if I say my tuple, if I say my tuple like this, and I have created what a tuple. So this is how to create dictionaries, tuple, sets, and lists. And what makes them different? What makes you differentiate each of them is what the outer covering That is what differentiates what a set from what a tuple, from what a dictionary, and from a set. Remember, I said it at the beginning. I said, if you create a variable my list and do this, this is what a set, this is what a dictionary, this is what a tuple, and this is what a set. Please, if there's any question you need to ask, you can throw your question on the comment section and I'll gladly answer them. And if you are following, I say thank you very much. And if you are not yet following, if you're just joining us, go back to the beginning of the series and follow. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you very much.